Marcus is going to be at night, everybody. Romildo is here, okay. And the guys who don't know Marcus is one of my very first students. Ora Romildo, tudo bom? Bom dia. Okay, so I'm going to speak Portuguese too with Romildo. So Marcus was one of my first students, like 9 years, 3 years, so 12 years ago. You know, and he was trading for 9 years, and he quit. And he quit after 9 years because he never came to an edge. Romildo Marcos estava negociando 9 anos e parou porque nunca chegou numa vantagem, edge. Okay, so Marcos is going to be present, everybody, tonight. You're going to meet the guy. Okay, talk to the guy. He's honest, like all of us. Pode falar pro cara, ele é honesto, que nem todos nós, okay? Now, do you have pen and paper, everybody? Tem papel e caneta? Yeah. So, starting from today, I want you to write your emotional journal according to your trades. Okay? Starting from today, I want you to write, if you enter, if you exit, if you manage, write your emotional journal. Hoje, Romildo, eu quero que vocês comecem a fazer o jornal emocional. Se você entra, escreve jornal emocional. Se você sai do mercado, jornal emocional. Se você gerencia o trade, jornal emocional. Okay, everybody? Starting from today, start to write your emotional journal. Because if you do enter today, tomorrow I'm going to ask you, okay, who is going to share your emotional journal? Se você tem já uma entrada hoje, amanhã eu vou perguntar como é que está seu jornal emocional. All right, everybody?
Tá bom.
And as we talked about, do some depth. Just don't do, oh, I entered and I felt good. Yes, Mario. Dimmi, carissimo.
Do we have to do our emotional journal only in the days when we are in trades? When we are not in, when we, let's suppose we are not in trades, do we have to do it? Personally, I do every day.
Great question. What is mandatory? It's during trades, but it's beneficial if you do it every day. Ok? Mário perguntou ao Romildo se tem que fazer jornal só comenta quando se entrar nos trades, ou sempre falei obrigatório é nos trades, mas se faz todo dia é melhor, né? Ok, everybody? So emotional journal. Number 2, starting from this week, if you catch yourself doing some trader's error, past errors, writing down. Também escreve seus erros dos traders. Se você vê que você fez algum erro de trader, coloca, because starting from tomorrow, maybe not tomorrow, it's too soon, but starting from next week for sure. Começando a semana que vem, I'm going to ask you, okay, who is going to read past errors? Past traders errors, né? O erros do trader. I enter too soon, I enter too late, I exit too soon, I exit too late. I didn't risk enough, I didn't risk too much. Those are all errors. I didn't enter, those are all traders errors. Eu entrei cedo demais, eu saí cedo demais, Romildo, eu entrei tarde demais, saí tarde demais, não entrei, não estava fazendo o risco certo. I didn't use my system to enter, which I should, I don't know, whatever, you know. I didn't take care about the news, whatever, those are traders errors. Eu não estava ligando para a notícia, Romildo, ou deveria ter usado o sistema para gerenciar o trade, qualquer coisa. Okay, everybody? So starting from today, emotional journal, starting from today, errors for you to grow, okay? And now, let's have some fun. Like Julius said, let's have some fun. I have Douglas, this is Douglas pen, everybody. I have Douglas pen. And Melissa, do you want to take care of the Fibonacci or the market wave? Or nothing, everybody, this is not mandatory. You can say I don't have time, all right? It's not mandatory.
I want to pass on this item.
Okay, Julius?
Yes, boss.
Do you want to take care of the Fibonacci signals or the market wave signals?
I think I'll go for market wave.
Market wave, all right, I'm writing it down, everybody. So market wave.
Yeah. Market wave.
Julius. Okay, Douglas, Fibonacci, market wave?
I can do the Fibonacci.
Douglas, Fibonacci. Mario, if you want.
Market wave.
Market wave.
But what do you mean to take care?
Great question. So in this virtual office, everybody, you are going to take care about my signals. This means that you are going to, I'm going to ask Mattia because Mattia is the best for Excel. I gave you my charts, right, Mattia? I gave you my Fibonacci charts. You should have my Fibonacci charts, everybody, and you should have my market wave charts, so that you in a group, you can take care, it's a role play, you know, you work for me, so you are taking care of the signals, okay? What does this mean? In a group, everybody, if you're a market wave, you're going to talk in the virtual office group. If you're in the Fibonacci group, you're going to talk into virtual office. If you're in the market wave group, you are going to talk to each other in the market wave folder on Teams. Let me, so here, I'm going to share. So here we have market wave mastery, everybody. So here you take care of the market wave signals. The guys who are in the market wave mastery, you know, like so far it's Julius and Mario. And if you go to Fibonacci mastery, you know, whoops, not sure about this one. So here, Fibonacci mastery, here you take care of the Fibonacci signals. Okay, everybody? So, by the way, listen up. By the way, you do have already signals to enter this week. I'm telling you. I'm not questioning. I'm telling you that you should. Okay. So how this works? Like Julius and Mario partnered up. You know, they are talking to each other in the folder. Okay. What I want from the group, just type in the chat. AUD cat weekly market wave signal short. That's it. Make sense, everybody? You are taking care of the clients who subscribe. Nothing is true. I'm inventing the story, but we have thousands of subscribers of the signals, yeah, and you are taking care of the subscribers. And oh, there is a signal on AUD cat weekly market wave short. Okay, everybody. So you tell a signal. Make sense? And that's why I'm asking Mattia, you know, you have my chart, sure. So it's your job as a group to take care of 27 currency pairs, you know. And Romildo, já fala com você. Don't worry, Romildo. Okay, everybody. And I gave you, everybody, give me a second, virtual office. I gave you this one, right? So this is how the signal works. Can you see, everybody? Can you see it? Sto compartilhando? Am I sharing?
Yeah.
Okay. So it doesn't really matter Fibonacci or market wave. For the currency pairs with positive swap, you know, you are entered with limit orders. Monthly chart, you risk 2%. Weekly chart, you risk 2%. Daily, you risk 1%. 4 hour risk 0.5%. I'm not sure what is this one. Stop loss 1. Not sure what is this one. Okay, everybody? For the currency pairs with the negative swap, you enter with crown or system. Give me a second. Somebody wants to enter. All right. And okay, everybody. So the negative swap, you enter with crown or system, and you get out if the market go. Well, you don't need to get out. That's on me. But just to enter, you know, you enter with crown or system. Okay, everybody. Monthly risk is 2%. Weekly risk is 2%. Daily risk is 1%. And 4 hour risk it's 0.5%. Okay. All good in here?
Good.
Let's make an example. If I go to not this one, give me a second. I should open this one. If I go to here and go to trading and market wave example. Okay, which one has a negative swap? AUD CAD, right? AUD CAD on the short side, AUD CAD negative swap. If I go to market wave and I go to AUD CAD, okay, can I enter on AUD CAD right now on the daily example?
No,
Why not?
because it's above the SMA 21.
Because it doesn't have a crown, right?
Yeah.
Don't take no crown, and this order signal, you know, it's the moving average, it's up. Okay, everybody? So you don't enter here, but back in time, this was a crown, right, everybody? There was a
Yeah.
crown. So you would say here, all right, we have a signal to go short on AUD CAD market wave daily chart, stop loss above in here, you know. Okay, everybody, makes sense? And the same goes with the Fibonacci. Mesma coisa vai com os Fibonaccis. Everybody? All good?
All good.
Ok. O Romildo e Henrique, estou pedindo para a galera qual signal eles vão cuidar. So far we have Julius and Mario talking about the market wave. Shantana, if you want to have fun, we want to take care of some signals.
Not yet.
Come again?
Not yet.
Not yet. Okay, very good, excellent. Henrique, para você não é ainda. Romildo também não. Mattia, what do you want? Market wave, pass, or Fibonacci?
I can try with market wave, but I'm not sure if I will be able to be so active.
Okay, but everybody talking about being active, that's on you guys, make sense? Como você vai ficar ativo, isso cabe a você. You are working for me, okay, everybody? Vocês estão trabalhando para mim. I don't care how you work. I just want result. Eu não ligo como é que vocês vão trabalhar, eu só quero resultado. If you work at midnight, 4 a.m., I don't care, just give me the signal. Se você trabalha meia-noite ou 4 de madrugada, para mim tanto faz, só quero o sinal. And that's why everybody work in a group. Por isso que vocês trabalham num grupo. Okay? So example, Mario, Mattia, and Julius on the market wave example. You guys then, you do your magic, makes sense? You call each other, say, okay, who is going to take care about AUD CAD, AUD pairs, or let's everybody take care about everything. That's on you. Como que vocês vão cuidar dos signais? Ou todo mundo cuida de todos os pares? Ou Matias cuida dos AUD e Romildo dos euro? Isso cabe a vocês. Make sense, everybody? That's on you as a group to talk to each other and define, are we taking care of all the pairs, or me, Mattia, taking care of the euro pairs, and Julius taking care of the ANSD pairs, and Marius taking care about the AUD pairs. Okay, example, right? Does this make sense, everybody? That's on you. The how to, we don't care. O como, a gente não liga. Okay? Douglas, don't worry, you're going to have more people helping you with the Fibonacci at night. Douglas vai ter mais pessoas falando do Fibonacci à noite. Not really a problem. Ok? Não tem problema. Ok? Romildo, I'm going to translate to English. Romildo, por que nós estamos aqui nesse September Virtual Office? Qual é o propósito? What's the purpose of the Virtual Office? Yes, you're mute. I cannot hear you. Não dá para ouvir.
O propósito é operar e treinar nos mercados, de certa forma que você, dentro desse jogo você é o patrão, nós somos os funcionários e vamos trabalhar para você aqui e treinar, né?
Romildo said our purpose is to train. Everybody, is it true that our purpose is to train here? Melissa says, yes. No, that's not the purpose. No. What else? Que mais? Look at the picture. Look at the Olha Focinia. Look at the picture. I gave you the picture. What does it say? Goal? Objetivo?
Make money.
Make
Two
money.
legs
Make,
scenario.
making money. Making money. O objetivo desse virtual office é fazer dinheiro. Ok, everybody? Training, it's alright. Treinar tá tudo de bom, mas você tem que fazer dinheiro. The purpose of the virtual office is this is why this role play. Romildo, of course, I'm joking with Romildo. It's your first time. É a primeira vez que estou brincando com o Romildo. Mas essa galera que está vendo, eles não estão aqui para treinar. Eles estão aqui para fazer dinheiro. The guys you are seeing, Romildo, it's your first time. Romildo, everybody, it's 3 months in the advanced course. Applause para Romildo, applause para Romildo. Romildo is 3 months in this course. Mas Romildo, a galera que está vendo, não é mais treinamento, é fazer grana. The guys you are seeing, Romildo, they must make money. They must make money. Okay, everybody?
Ok.
Just to explain, Romildo and everybody else, okay? Só para, then we go to charts and anything else. Depois vamos para o gráfico e tudo mais. In an institution, educationally, in an institution, if you don't produce, I mean, the job of a trader is to make money. Does this make sense? O trabalho do trader é fazer dinheiro. Faz sentido isso? So if you are whatever, it doesn't matter how skilled you are, they don't care. But if you don't make money, they say to you, thank you very much, you are nice, beautiful, young, handsome and everything, but you are fired. Se você não produz dinheiro, Romildo, com o tempo, numa instituição financeira, banco de investimento, investment bank, example, eles vão falar, você é bonito, magro, lindo, gente boa, gente fina, mas você está demitido. You're fired. Make sense, everybody? Like the job of a waiter is to serve the tables. O trabalho de garçom é servir as mesas. Esse é o trabalho do garçom. This is the waiter's job. The trader's job is to make money. Do trabalho do trader é fazer dinheiro. Does this make sense?
Yep.
How much money? Quanto dinheiro?
As much as you can.
Apóstolo Douglas, quanto melhor que pode? As much as you can. That's the job. So, sure enough, some of you are here to learn. Joking with Romildo. Claro, alguém de vocês estão aqui para aprender. Henrique também. Henrique too. It's your first time. Ok? So, Romildo, claro, você está aqui para aprender. Romildo, mas já tem que fazer dinheiro, pô. I should make money already. Não é, Romildo? Não doesn't work like this. Não funciona. Ok? So, Shantana, Romildo e Henrique. Shantana, Romildo e Henrique, vocês estão aqui para aprender. So, try to learn. Ok? Talk to the guys, see what the guys are doing. Okay, you're at different levels, everybody. Está em níveis diferentes, okay? And we are going to monitor the weekly plans, everybody, okay? And we are going to monitor the best rates, okay? A gente vai monitorar os weekly plans, a gente vai monitorar os best rates for the week, okay? So, one more homework for next week to write down. Mais uma tarefa de casa para a semana que vem. Next time when you talk about your best rate, write a small thesis. Quando você vai colocar o best rate para a semana, o trade melhor para a semana, escreve uma pequena tese. Okay, everybody? The best rate for the week is NZJPY. Good. Why? Why is NZJPY better than Euro CHF, AUD and the other 25 currency pairs? O trade melhor para a semana, Romildo, Henrique, é NZDJPY legal. Por quê? Why? Porque NZDJPY é melhor comparado com AUD, CAD, Euro CHF e outros 25 pares de moeda. Ok? Estou explicando para vocês. Não precisa. A galera tem que escrever uma tese. Make sense, everybody?
Yes.
Okay? So, you are in an office, everybody. Okay, from my side, this week, do meu lado, from my side this week, do you have pen and paper, tem papel e caneta? Now let's go to charts a little bit, vamos nos gráficos um pouquinho. From my side, on this week, take care of Euro CHF. You must make money on Euro CHF, everybody. Vocês têm que fazer dinheiro no Euro CHF. Ok? And This is my weekly plan. Esse é o meu planejamento semanal. So you see everybody, os mais avançados. See here, here's the best rate, Euro CHF. Okay, everybody? And the swap is positive on the buy. O swap está positivo na compra. Okay? So I wanted to make money on Euro CHF this week. And I wanted to make money on Canada JPY. Okay, everybody? I wanted to make money on Canada JPY. And I wanted to pay attention to all the Euro and the GBP pairs. All of those guys. Quero que vocês prestem atenção na todos os pares de Euro e do GBP. Of course, you have Euro dollar, stay out, because we have non-farm payrolls on Friday. Euro dollar fique fora. Ok? Porque tem non-farm payroll na sexta. GBP AUD stay out. I don't have a read. GBP AUD fique fora. Não tenho leitura boa para esse par. But all the other pairs, you know, take care of all the Euro pairs and the GBP pairs. Presta atenção nos pares do Euro, do GBP, but especially Euro CHF and GBP CAD, right? That's on me. Esses são os meus. Euro CHF and Canada JPY top priority. Canada JPY e Euro CHF são prioridades. All right, everybody? Make sense?
Okay.
Okay. From my side, so far, I'm trading Joao's account. Eu estou negociando a conta de Joao aqui, ó, Joao Reis. Okay. So yesterday night I entered already buying Euro CHF. Ontem à noite eu entrei comprando Euro CHF, you know. And as you can see here, it's 5 lots. Aqui tá 5 lots. Okay, everybody. I got out of USD CAD because it went against me. Give me a second. Time. So Euro CHF, I was managing a trade before the office. Eu saí aqui do negócio negociando o trade por causa do sistema. And I closed USD CAD this morning. Eu vendi saí da negociação do USD Canadá. What is USD CAD? USD CAD. So I got out because it went against me. Give me a second. Can you see everybody? I shorted the market in here somewhere. Vendi algum lugar aqui, but it went against me, pushing to a higher high, so I got out. Okay. And so far I'm buying Euro CHF. Has been my best trade. Estou comprando Euro CHF para ser o meu trade melhor. Give me a second. Euro CHF here. Okay. And I'm also buying GBP CHF. It's also part of the game, you know, it's part of the package on the GBPs. Faz parte do pacote dos GBP, okay? And give me a second. Where are we? Where are we? Not in here. Give me a second. Out. One more time for everybody. What is the definition of the best rate? The definition of the best rate for the week, everybody, is the highest probability trade that you can make. So you are going to risk more. O best rate para a semana, Romildo e Henrique, que falam português, Douglas também, mas Douglas fala inglês também, é o trade que tem probabilidade maior baseado naquilo que você acha, onde você vai arriscar mais. Okay, everybody? Your best rate cannot be 0.5 lots. O teu trade não pode ser 0.5%. Not lots, I'm sorry, I said it in the wrong way. 0.5% risk. Your best rate cannot be 0.5% risk. O teu best rate não pode ser 0.5%. Boss, what if I don't... Come again?
But 5 lots, I mean, how much risk is that? Yeah.
5%. I'm risking 5% on Euro CHF.
Okay.
Okay, everybody? Somebody is going to say, but I don't have it. 1 week, it's all right. There are weeks that you have no best rate. Uma semana tudo bem. Tem semana que você não tem best rate. Okay, then it's 5%, 10%, it's all right. But not this market right now. You have tons of opportunity in this market right now. Você tem toneladas de oportunidade nesse mercado agora. Você pode, you can make a lot of money. Você pode fazer muita grana this week, essa semana. Not Enrique, not Romildo, not Santana, not Ricky, not Romildo, not Santana. Talking to the other guys. Okay, everybody? So the best trade has the highest probability according to your analysis. É o trade com probabilidade máxima baseado na sua análise. So you're going to risk one. Boss, is 1% enough? It's 1%. It's okay. It's already something else than compared to 0.5%. Okay. So 1%, it's all right. 2%, it's even better. 5%, it's I'm going to applaud you. I'm going to applaud you. 1% tá bom, 2% já melhor. 5% eu vou te aplaudir. Eu vou te aplaudir. Está arriscando 5%, eu vou te aplaudir. Okay? And so the first variable, everybody, is the highest probability trade that you believe is going to, and the number 2 variable, you believe that this specific asset could be Heraldo and the index or Bitcoin. You know, Heraldo is talking to Santa Claus, right, Douglas? Heraldo está falando para Papai Noel and so on. We're making fun. It's not really a problem. But the second variable is the market is going to move. O mercado vai agindo. Okay, everybody? And I am going to monitor us. I'm going to monitor myself too. Eu vou também monitorar mim mesmo. So if I say USDCHF, it's the best rate for the week, example, but the pair doesn't move, I'm a bad analyst. Se eu falo que USDCHF é best rate da semana, melhor trade para mim para a semana, mas o par não vai se mexer, eu sou um analista ruim. Does this make sense, everybody?
No.
We love the no. Thank you very much. Yes, please. Well, no, not that.
Nobody can predict velocity.
Yes, we can.
Oh, Julius, punching Melissa. Bam!
I would.
Julius falou assim, gente pode prever. Yes, we can.
I'm calling you out on it then. Tell me how.
Tell us how, Julius.
Yeah.
Let's go to the chart. The chart will tell you it's technical analysis. Just look at the chart. Look at the direction of the market. You use the what is it called? You use the Fibonacci. You look at the short-term trend. You look at the market wave. You look at the inner short-term trend. Then you can tell. Also look at where the market is forming and look at the candlestick signals.
Everything
Julius, everybody, applause for Julius. Applause to Julius.
Yeah.
Applause to Julius.
But
Melissa
everything you
falou
just
que, just to translate Melissa quickly, Melissa falou que não tem como prever que o mercado vai andar. E Julius falou, pode prever sim. E Melissa pediu, como? E Julius agora detonou a Melissa, explicou para ela. Applause to Julius, very good, excellent. Yes, Melissa.
But everything that you said definitely predicts your expected future move.
Sure.
But
Absolutely.
Nothing that you said predicts time.
Actually, from what the boss said, if I understood very well, is the market going to move that week?
Exactly.
I have yet to have heard anybody tell me anything that I could use to predict the timing.
Okay, everybody, that's on me, all right? Not sure. I'm going to interfere now in this conversation just to explain to everybody what we're talking about. Vou entrar na conversa entre Julius e Melissa, okay? So when we talk about you want the market to move, okay? What we're talking about is you have euro yen, all right, everybody? Example. Am I sharing?
Yes.
Okay, so this is euro yen weekly chart example, right? What can you see on euro yen on the weekly, everybody? O que se consegue ver no euro yen? What can you see on euro yen? It's consolidation, right?
Indecision.
And if I go here and again trading, let me see if I have another one. Give me a second. Oh, it's only, okay, I'm going to open a new one. I need to find trading and
There's an engulfing
give me a
candle as
second.
well.
Give me a second. Not this one. Maybe market wave is going to display only mode. Okay, done. Sorry about that. I need to open different browser. Now there you go. So it's we talked about euro yen. Okay, so euro yen, it's the last 3 candles didn't move. Euro yen, ultima 3 semanas. It's small consolidation, right? And
Yes.
if you go then, if you compare to GBP, give me a second, everybody. GBP CHF weekly chart, GBP CHF, you know, how do you understand GBP CHF compared to euro yen? Just an example. Come che si intende euro yen con GBP CHF? Is euro yen weekly chart the same as GBP CHF weekly chart?
No.
No.
É o gráfico de euro yen comparado com GBP CHF, é o mesmo gráfico, Henrique e Romildo? No, right?
Nope.
Okay, so they're mute. It's all good. So, tan mudos. Then you go back to euro yen and you go to the daily chart, you know, and this is the most recent candle. So you see something like this in your weekly plan. What do you see in your weekly plan on the daily? Everybody, what do you see? Come again?
This is a consolidation.
It's consolidation. It should for you to make money, it should trend up or down.
Down.
Down, right?
Down.
Para você fazer dinheiro, esse mercado euro-yen deve descer. For you to make money on euro JPY, it must go down. We're at the monthly band. Estamos nas bandas mensais. So this pair should go down, right? Now, is it going down?
No.
No, tá indo para baixo, não tá. But plus, so it's not going down, but it's also at the lower band of consolidation. Yes, também tá na banda de baixo dessa pequena consolidação, sim? Yes?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So you are trying to short the market, you know, and Melissa called this velocity, but when Melissa says velocity, we're talking about market trending. Okay. Now you go to GBP CHF daily chart, you know, what do you see?
It's trending.
It's moving.
So you're seeing it went extension, retracement, and it's past support. Agreed, everybody?
Yes.
So are those two the same?
No.
No.
Different.
São a mesma coisa esses dois? So potentially, you as an analyst, you're going to say, oh, now this is it going extension, retracement, it has past support, you know, most likely I'm predicting the market to go up. It's going to start to trend. This is timing. O mercado foi na extensão, se retraiu aqui, ó, tá no suporte passado, você como analista fala, esse mercado vai subir. Isso é a hora certa de entrar. Now, how to enter crown and other stuff, this is the trader, but you as an analyst, this is timing. Como que você vai entrar com formação de velas, quebra de tendência, isso é coisa já de trader, mas você como analista fala, oh, esse mercado, so this market, GBP CHF, compared to Euro Yen, is totally different in terms of velocity, in terms of trending, in terms of market moving, agreed? Those two are not the same. Agreed,
Yes.
everybody?
Agree.
Esses dois não são a mesma coisa em termos de tempo. And one more time, where are we? Here. Okay, everybody? Melissa, especially? Are we clear?
Well, we're only clear in that the pairs that are in consolidation are not a good selection. That's the only thing you've clarified.
Absolutely. Absolutely.
Okay.
So, and then you have, this is not a class, isso não é uma aula, but Melissa, you
Yes.
you have trending pairs retracing. Is the pair that it's in a smaller retracement going to move, or is the pair which in a deep retracement going to move first?
Deeper.
Okay.
Okay. So we've eliminated 2/3 of the pairs. Yes.
That's predictable. Isso é previsível, essas coisas. Okay, everybody? So plus to Tiga, Jules says, yes, you can. Bam! Plus to Julius, you can predict velocity. You can predict the trending market. We're all speculating, but this is the analyst job. Todo mundo está speculando, mas esse é o trabalho do analista.
I just hate failing based on a speculation.
Plus to Melissa again, we love failing with speculation. Everybody listen up. Escuta aqui, ó. If Shantana or Mario can say for 4 weeks, best rate is this one, and the market is going to move. Best rate is that one, and the market is going to move. The best rate is that one, the market is going to move. This, then we must understand that what Mario and Shantana did, it's a learnable skill. Yes?
Yes.
Luck.
Come again?
If you eliminate if you eliminate the 2/3 you can't use, the ones in consolidation and the ones that don't have the deeper retracement, you've only got 1/3 of your pairs left, just figuratively, or a quarter of your pairs left.
There is no right or wrong. You could be a day trader using consolidation. Pay attention, everybody, what you're saying about.
This is true. I don't want to eliminate that, but still, it's luck as to which one of those pairs are going to go.
It's not luck, it's skill. Make sense, everybody?
Okay.
Look what you're saying in your see, everybody, emotions and mindset. Being right on the best rate, it's luck. So Euro GBP, it was luck, right? Right, Mario? Euro GBP, it was luck. We didn't have a clue what we're doing.
All right.
It's a skill.
Okay.
Pegar o trade certo é uma habilidade. You know? Fair enough. Not every best trade is going to move. Fair enough. We understand this. But
Okay.
if you have choosing best trades for 2 months and not even one moved, you are a bad analyst, everybody,
Okay.
not Melissa. You must understand this. That's why that's me. I'm calling Euro CHF this week. That's on me. Make sense? Por isso que eu tô chamando Euro CHF essa semana. Isso sou eu. In the previous virtual office was Euro GBP. I was calling Euro GBP. Everybody should buy, monster trade, make tons of money. The last 6 A+ trades, all of those A+ trades won. Os últimos 6 a mais, todos foram ganhadores. This is not a guarantee. Appreciate Douglas. This is not a guarantee for the future, but I'm telling you, it's a skill. Okay. Douglas, don't tell everybody they have a crystal ball, you know. So I'm looking at the crystal ball.
Santa.
Romildo Henrique, os últimos 6 a mais que a gente chamou, todos 6 a mais deram certo. Você pode prever o mercado que vai começar a andar antes dos outros. Entende? É uma habilidade que se aprende, é isso que a gente estava conversando. Yes, Mario.
Micha, sorry, I have a question concerning Euro CHF.
Sure.
You told this is your best trade, but honestly, I don't understand. But is it your best trade on the lower time frames, or for example, 4-hour chart? Because looking at the charts, I see the weekly chart is in consolidation on the band, and the daily chart too. So, sorry, this is my fault, my ignorance, but I want to understand.
For Mario, it's your first time in the office, right? Mario, primeira vez no escritório. Mario, who is your manager? Who is your manager? Who bring you here in the office? Quem te colocou trabalhar para mim? Who is your? You. Come again?
You are my manager.
No, it's a role play. It's a role play. Choose one. Pick one. School you. Huh?
The best one is Mattia.
Mattia, pick up. Mattia, hello, Mattia, pick up the phone. Mattia, respondi, Mattia.
Hello.
Mattia, who the fuck is? Who is this Mario here talking to me? Why Euro CHF? Shit. Who is this, Mario? Quem é esse Mario que tá falando para mim por que EuroCGF?
Senior trader.
Come again?
He's senior trader.
Senior trader. Fire.
Yeah.
Fuck him, fire. Get out. Fire. No, wait. No, I'm joking. Okay, let's say it's a...
Sorry, I understand. We
Wait,
are on the bench.
calm down. It's a junior trader, a trader junior. Mattia, explain to Mario that he must not think, he must just obey. Fala pro Mario que ele não pode duvidar, ele tem que só executar. Make sense, everybody?
Yes.
Mario, I love you.
Okay.
You know, this
I
is
know,
not
I
a
know.
class. Isso não é aula que está acontecendo agora. This is not a class. You can clarify later in a class. On Friday, you have class. You can clarify with other traders later. Você pode conversar com outros traders. Okay, everybody?
Okay.
This is how in an institution happens. You have the morning meeting. This is the meeting. Isso acontece numa instituição financeira. Você tem essa reunião de manhã, where the head of trading comes and tell you what you should pay attention from the company perspective. Ele vai te explicar naquilo que você tem que olhar baseado na visual da empresa. Okay? So I give you instructions, make money on EuroCHF. I didn't tell you how much. Eu falei para você, faz grana no EuroCHF. Eu não falei quanta grana. Make sense, everybody?
Yeah.
I don't care how much. Just make money on EuroCHF. Make money on Canada JPY. Faz grana no Canada JPY. And make money on Euro pairs and GBP pairs. E faz grana nos pares do GBP e euro. How? That's on you. You are the trader. Como? Isso é você. Você é o trader.
Se
How
vira.
much? That's on you. You are the
Vira.
trader. Quanto? Isso é com você. Você é o trader. Make sense, everybody?
Mm-hmm.
To explain to Mario, this is the first time with Mario, para explicar para Mario, this is education for Mario, plus to Mario, by the way, aplauso para Mario, we're having fun. I'm having fun, so nós estamos se divertindo. It's the understanding of the skill that you don't question what the company is saying. Make sense, everybody? Nothing wrong with questioning. It's like, shit, you know, I'm an employee, and they give me instructions, and I'm an employee. And the company give me instruction, and I must do this. Make sense? This is the retail trader issue when Mario makes 29% on Euro GBP, and other traders who are 6, 7, 8 years in front of Mario, they make 0.5% and they don't even enter. This is why we have this role play. Romildo, é um problema do trader di varejo, porque aqui nós estamos brincando. O Mario pediu por que EuroCHF? Eu falei, você não deve pensar, tu tem que só executar. You don't need to think, just do. Porque isso é o problema do trader de varejo, porque numa instituição, eles vão te dar, você é um empregado, Romildo, you're an employee, eles vão te dar um papel e você não deve pensar, você só tem que fazer. Isso é uma habilidade do trader de varejo que se torna profissional. Not thinking and not questioning, it's a skill for somebody who is retail and becomes a professional trader. In class, it's all good. Don't get me wrong, everybody, not just Mario. Dentro da aula, ok. Não leve do jeito errado. Não somente Mario, todo mundo. Mas, porque eu estou pensando demais, se não estou ouvindo o prof, isso faz o Mario fazer 29%, 29%, e outros traders, Romildo, vai fazer 0,5%, não vai entrar no mercado. Make sense? What's the difference between Mario and John? Mario didn't question Euro GBP. He just said, okay, Mike is telling me, so shit, he knows what he's doing. Most likely, I hope right now. Pray to God, Mario now. But what the hell, I'm going to do this. John didn't enter. Because John said, oh, I don't like it. I'm not sure. Is this the market wave? 20% risk, hedging, too risky for me. That's the difference. Make sense? Romildo, perché o Mario fez 29% e John nem entrou no Euro GBP? Porque o Mario falou, o cara deve saber o que ele fala, vou rezar para Deus, não? Que ele sabe o que está fazendo, e o John começou a questionar aquele trade do Euro GBP. Será que essa é a estrutura do mercado? Será que arriscar 20% da banca, cara, fazendo hedging? That's the...
O John era amador.
John is an amateur. Tell this to Ronaldo. Fala isso para Ronaldo. You're a fucking amateur, Ronaldo. Hello? Romildo, tell to Ronaldo. Hello? Everybody, Romildo said, everyone who doesn't listen to the more experienced traders with the proof and everything, you know, yada, yada, it's an amateur. Applause to Romildo, applause para Romildo. Romildo, falei para a galera que você falou que todo mundo que não ouve o professor, que tem números, todos vocês são amadores. Eles têm aplaudido. Romildo is too serious today. Romildo está sério demais hoje. Okay, everybody?
Good.
Yes, Melissa.
Since you're starting out the week, can you start with explaining how you're going to manage that trade as a trader?
Melissa,
Referring to,
who is your
referring
manager?
to-
Melissa, who is your manager?
don't give me the shit, man. Just give me the explanation.
Who is your manager?
Oh my God. I'm loving this, man.
Romildo, a Melissa me está pedindo como que eu vou gerenciar o meu trade. Melissa is asking me how I'm going to manage my trade.
Oh, yeah.
What has one thing to do with that? You are the traders, guys.
Okay, okay, then let me clarify this a little bit better. Okay, I have a class in an hour, so he's going to answer any question I want for my personal benefit. Okay,
Sure.
but it seems to me that this is a particular question that would be useful for everybody else's benefit. So I apologize for not explaining that.
You are an employee here, everybody. Vocês são funcionários aqui. Make sense?
Yeah, but you're not supposed to have favorites.
I'm going to help you, everybody. I'm going to help Melissa and everybody. I don't care how you are going to manage, just make money. Eu não tô nem aí como que você vai gerenciar o trade, just só faz dinheiro.
Well, this is true, dear, but the reality of it is not too many of us make 5-lot trades every week.
I don't care how much, just do something, make sense? Melissa fala, oh, isso é verdade.
Wait a minute, you said that this is all about making money. I don't want to just do something to make you happy. I want to make the money. And I can't make the money if don't have the confidence in exactly, you're doing
That's what
something and
manager-
I don't know
who's
enough
your
about
manager?
it.
You don't have confidence, não tem confiança. Who is your manager? What is Melissa doing this? Who is your manager? Okay, everybody.
That's what I'm asking you for. Deeper confidence.
Just to explain to Enrique and Shantana and Romildo, if Friday comes along and you look like a group, if you didn't enter Euro CHF, then we're going to have a conversation. Se vem sexta-feira e você não fizeram nada de dinheiro com Euro CHF, a gente vai ter que conversar. This is my answer to Melissa. Essa é minha resposta para Melissa. I don't care how you enter. You have a strategy. You have everybody. I don't care how you enter. I don't care how you manage. I don't care how much risk. I don't care how you exit. Just make money on the purse I gave you. Eu não estou nem aí como você vai entrar, não estou nem aí como você vai gerenciar, não estou nem aí como você vai sair. Somente faz grana nos pares que eu falei para você. Make sense, everybody? It's a skill you're trying to learn. Mario, yes.
So basically, you are saying that we have to make money according to our strategy. Is it all right?
Yes,
Okay.
sure.
Let's suppose you know that you told me you cannot do trading on 4-hour chart because you could not be consistent on this chart because of a job and everything else. So in my strategy, aspetta, no, cazzo.
Mattia, pick up Mattia. I'm joking, I'm playing with you. Sto scherzando.
Yes.
Mattia, why this Mario is want to talk with me about strategy?
He
You
wants
talk.
to learn from you.
I'm having fun, don't worry. Tell him I don't care. I don't care what time frame, I don't care what setup, I don't care. Eu non ligo col tempo grafico, non ligo como.
Hey, it's a new environment. Everybody wants to know what their parameters are.
So you know, in my strategy,
I'm going to answer you, Mario, don't worry. Romildo, Enrique, and Shantana, and Mario, okay? And Melissa, Mattia, and Douglas, and Tega help those guys understand, because in the beginning it's confusing, right? So this virtual office, Mario, it's similar to a pitbull, meaning I gave you Euro CHF as the best rate, okay? And Friday comes along and the student says, the trader says, I'm going to shout at you, and you're going to say, well, but my strategy didn't allow. Make sense, everybody? Vai chegar sexta-feira, Romildo, e você vai falar para mim, eu não entrei porque minha estratégia não deixou para mim entrar. So we are trying to learn the next level of understanding that the boss, and it really is like this. When you are a trader, so junior analyst, senior analyst, portfolio manager, for you to come to a portfolio manager or a trader, really, the boss doesn't care. Make sense, everybody? O chefe não liga para a tua estratégia. Make sense? Because this is going to take some time, homeostasis. This is not a class. This is not theory. And we are not here to debate concepts and probabilities. Isso aqui não é uma aula, não é um debate, nós não estamos aqui para trocar ideias sobre teoria de probabilidade e estratégia. Make sense, everybody? So similarly to you, Mario, like Melissa, I'm going to answer everything in class. Make sense, everybody?
Yep.
So your job is you have instruction from the head of trading, which is me. Você tem instruções do chefe da mesa, que sou eu, and how? That's on you. E como? É com você. Make sense, everybody? Now, if Euro CHF goes down and breaks the monthly band, that's on me. Se Euro CHF vai descer e vai quebrar a banda mensal, é comigo. I cannot yell at you if you don't enter. Não vou gritar com você se você não vai entrar. On the contrary, you can yell at me. Você pode gritar comigo. Hey, you told me to, Mario, right? You told me to, Katza told me to buy Euro CHF, it went down. It's true, it's true.
I will do it.
It's true, punch in the face, you know. É verdade, pode me dar um soco na cara.
It's our money. I will do it.
Exactly. Exactly. So it's a different environment, everybody. É outro meio ambiente aqui, ó. Make sense? Your strategy when... Shantana, don't be scared, Shantana. Shantana já está apavorada. It's a different environment when the institution tells you, I don't want to hear strategy as an excuse for you not to make money. Eu não quero ouvir estratégia como uma desculpa para você não fazer dinheiro. I'm sorry, Heraldo is not here. Pena que Heraldo não está aqui, ó. We have, on the yen, we have countless examples of 5 days, bullish candle, bullish candle, bullish candle, bullish candle, bullish candle, and you don't enter. Temos vários exemplos quando teve no pares do yen, not today, last year, it was vela de touro, vela de touro, vela de touro, vela de touro, e você não entra. And I'm yelling at you, what the fuck? Eu tô aqui gritando, você, que caralho? I'm waiting for a retracement. Tô esperando por uma retração. Waiting for a retracement when you are a student, it's all right. Esperando por uma retração quando você é um aluno, é ok. Professional traders, traders profissionais, or pitbull experience, or virtual office experience, we don't care. No experiência do pitbull ou no escritório virtual, gente não liga. Make sense, everybody? This is not fair, mas isso não está certo. Ok, let's have a conversation, like me and you. Vamos conversar nós dois. Is it true that the market went bullish, 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 bullish for 5 days? Yes or no? É verdade que o mercado foi 5 vezes, 5 dias touro, 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 sim ou não? Yes, boss. Okay. If you would trade any methodology on the 15-minute chart, to the daily chart, to the weekly chart, Heikin Nash, Fibonacci, market, whatever, would you make some money? Se você estava negociando qualquer metodologia Fibonacci, Elliott Wave, onda do mercado, ou no gráfico de 5 minutos, 1 hora semanal, você faria dinheiro? Yes, boss. So why didn't you? Então, por que você não fez isso? Do you understand, everybody, what I'm talking? You are looking at the market from my perspective, not yours. Você está olhando para o mercado do meu ponto de vista, não do seu. Oh, yes, but the strategy, if you understand that the market was bullish for 5 days, if you have the understanding that any methodology would make money, then you need to pick and choose. You're going to have still the excuse or you're going to adapt. Se você entende que o mercado foi de touro, touro, touro por 5 dias, se você entende que qualquer metodologia fazia grana, ou você vai continuando, a minha estratégia não me deixou entrar, ou você vai continuando com essa desculpa, você vai se adaptar. Make sense, everybody? But you are telling me not to change the strategy. You are not in class in here. Mas você fala que eu não posso mudar a estratégia, você não está na aula aqui, ó. I don't care what you do, just make money. Eu não estou nem aí o que você faz, só faz dinheiro. Make sense, everybody?
Makes sense.
So this virtual office is to expand your brain. Like, my best trade was NZD-JPY, and his best trade was Euro-CHF. What is his skill compared to my skill? That's the game. Eu fiz o meu best trade no NZD-JPY. Esse cara aqui falou Euro-CHF. Qual é a diferença na habilidade para a minha visão do mercado ser diferente dele? Make sense, everybody? Because it's a learnable skill.
Wow.
Understanding probabilities, it's a skill. Lembrando, a probabilidade é uma habilidade. I'm not expecting Mario to be at my level of analysis. I'm not expecting Shantana, Enrique e Romildo to be at my level. Non sto sperando Shantana e Mario, Enrique e Romildo se no meu nível. But I do expect Melissa, Mattia, Douglas, Julius, Heraldo, Thiago, I don't remember, KJ, to be at my level of analysis. You know, it's nothing special. Mas estou esperando Melissa, Mattia, Douglas, Julius e os outros ficar no meu nível de análise. Make sense? I'm not saying that I'm better than you. I'm not. Não estou falando que eu sou melhor que você. Não sou. Because if Euro-CHF is going to move and NZJPY is going to move, we were all right. Porque se Euro-CHF vai se mover e NZD-JPY vai se mexer, todo mundo estava certo. Does this make sense? Does this make sense?
Yes.
But if, example, if AUDK doesn't move, then what? Mas se AUD Canadá não se move, e aí? And not 1 week, for 4 weeks. Your best rate, example, your best rate for 4 weeks. AUD didn't move, Canada CHF didn't move, AUD CHF didn't move, GBP CHF didn't move. It moved on the first week, but not on the 4th week. You are a bad analyst. Se na primeira semana AUD Canadá não se mexeu, a GBP Canadá não se mexeu, NZD-CAD não se mexeu, USD-CHF se mexeu na primeira semana, mas depois não se mexeu na semana 4, você é um péssimo analista. Does this make sense? It's a learnable skill. Melissa knows this, Douglas knows this. Melissa sabe, Douglas sabe. You know? We're not talking about Darnex and Risk Engine here. Não estamos falando de Darnex e motor de risco aqui, ó. We're talking that Melissa made tons of money, Mario made tons of money, and Douglas made tons of money. Estamos falando que Melissa fez baita de uma grana, Mario fez baita de uma grana e Douglas fez baita de uma grana. Does this make sense?
Yes, boss.
I'm not sure, Mario, if I answered your question. Não sei se respondi para o Mário, a pergunta do Mário. Why Euro
I am happy. I am happy about your question. So I feel free to do everything with the Euro CHF.
Applause to Mario. Applause to Mario. Exactly. Exactly. Exactly.
This evening I will go long.
Applause to Mario. Ele vai comprar essa noite. Ok. Very good, everybody.
What are you waiting for?
Okay. So any other questions so far? Mais alguma perguntas, dúvidas before you go on charts? So starting from today, Mattia, Julius, and Mario, you take care about the market wave signals. And I'm telling you, you already have entries. I'm not going to tell you what entry where. Okay. And Douglas, you're taking care of the Fibonacci signals. Okay. And you already have entries.
Mika, please, can you share again your the link with the signals of market wave in the chat?
It would be better, Mattia, if you can help. Mattia is not here. Okay, so I'm going to do, I'm not sure. Give me a second, everybody. I'm going to, so this is the view on, okay, so wrong. Give me a second. I'm here. This is the market wave. Okay, can you see it, Mario? And I'm going to share, I'm going to copy link, and I'm going to put in Teams. All right. I'm going to put, so you're able to open this chart, but then it's going to be, when you click at the link, everybody, is going to be like this. Is going to be only view. Makes sense? So you must make a copy of this. Okay, everybody, you must make a copy and change the name. You know, whatever be the case. You know, 2025. You change the name. As soon as you change the name, then you can chart. Can you see everybody?
Is that going to give all the pairs?
That's on Mattia. Can you help me how to do this?
Yeah, you don't even need to copy. You can stay in view mode and still see all the.
Okay, but do I need for all the pairs or just one pair and you just change?
No, it's the same link for all. You just need double click. So you need to have like FXCM list on the right, and you just double click there for pairs to change.
Plus to Mattia, very good. Plus to Mattia, very good. Okay, everybody. Moving forward, as Julius says, let's make some money, right, Julius?
Yep.
Okay, who wants to? Yes.
Vamos.
Vamos. Who wants to present his best rate for the week and best rate for the day? Quem quer apresentar o best rate para a semana, best rate do dia? Do I need to choose? Do I need to think Sadeo? Okay, how many of you guys said NZJPY? Mario said NZJPY, Mattia too, right?
Yes.
Melissa too? Best rate for the week? No, it's for USDJPY. Julius, what did you say about the best rate?
Not yet, boss.
Not right, okay. So, Mario or Mattia, can you present NZDJPY or both of you together to the group? Mattia and Mario, se você pode apresentar para o NZDJPY as the best rate. How are you going to make money?
You can go, Mattia, if you want.
Okay, so you can ask questions, everybody, also, right? Not about the technique, but about probabilities, maybe.
Okay, so NZDJPY, I will start from monthly. Why this is the best rate for the week?
Mattia vai apresentar agora porque esse é o best rate.
We hit we hit monthly band, we confirm downtrend, we break this low here, and we are in retracement now. And previous month, we can see very bearish candle here from the monthly. So a lot of points down. So this is indicating the end of the retracement from the monthly.
Any questions? Alguma dúvida? Okay, next.
Okay, so the weekly is the same picture almost. We can see down market wave, and if we will draw counter trend line here, we did break counter trend line break. We are still in the retracement on the weekly.
Oh, this is a weekly.
Yes, yes. You have here in upper corner the time frame. So we are still in uptrend on the weekly. So the retracement, it's not over from weekly perspective. And but we have counter trend line break and bearish candles was here, but right now we are in retracement.
Everybody, this applies to everybody. The most important thing that it's difficult to learn, like Melissa is saying, it's the understanding of, I'm trying to get timing that the market is going to move for the week. Does this make sense?
Yes.
A habilidade que vocês estão tentando pegar, essa é mais difícil, é sobre o como que eu sei que essa semana o mercado vai se mexer. Thank you, Mattia.
Okay. Then on the daily, the picture is more clear. We have down market wave. And here we did retrace up on the market wave retracement. We crowned, and now we have confirmed downtrend. And at the moment we are in retracement, and we are just at best resistance area. So I would expect that the market will soon end retracement and continue the down move. So we have the weekly confirmed new extension, the weekly not yet, but we can see the candles down. But the daily gives me confidence that this market will continue the down move.
Applause to Mattia, everybody. Muito bom. Very good. Applause for Mattia. Okay, so what Mattia just did, is this that difficult, everybody? O que Mattia fez, é isso difícil? Baratos, no?
No.
Okay. Now, the next one is the difficult question. Melissa, a próxima pergunta é a pergunta difícil, Melissa. Listen up, everybody. This is the skill. Essa é a habilidade. Escuta aqui, ó. Melissa, por que ENZ JPY é melhor que Canada JPY? Melissa, por que why mixing it? So why ENZ JPY is better than compared to Canada JPY? Por que ENZ JPY é melhor que Canada JPY? Make sense, everybody? It's a rhetorical question. I don't need to analyze.
It's because it's moving.
But when you choose your best rate, you are comparing NZD JPY with the other 26 currency pairs and other assets. Quando você escolhe o best rate para a semana, você está comparando NZD JPY com os outros 25 pares de moeda e outros ativos. On the monthly, on the weekly, on the daily. This is what me and Melissa did in the last class, right, Melissa? Isso que a gente fez na última semana na aula, Melissa.
Yes.
Thanks, everybody. So, Mattia, just curiosity-wise, would you be so kind and share Canada JPY daily chart, maybe? So when you see something like You know, everybody is different. Don't worry, it's a skill. So this is why you are going to build your thesis. Make sense? Por isso que você vai fazer a sua tese. Okay? Make sense, everybody? This is the understanding of this. It's a skill.
Mhm.
Okay? You have, if you want to write down, everybody, você quer escrever, you are comparing direction, você está comparando direção. For the week, you are comparing direction for the week. You are comparing timing for the week. Você está comparando o tempo para a semana. And you are comparing probabilities for the week. Based on the same pattern. Baseado no mesmo padrão. You have Fibonacci on A de queda, and you have Fibonacci on N de queda. Exemplo, se você tem Fibonacci no A de Canadá, você tem Fibonacci no N de Canadá. Exemplo. Why N de queda is the best rate? Porque a N de Canadá é melhor. You're going to compare direction, timing, probability. Você vai comparando direção, timing, probabilidade. Okay?
So when you say pattern, it's like strategy. If I'm trading short-term trend,
No, it's when you are, great question, Mattia. This has nothing to do with strategy. Melissa, help me out with understanding, please. This has nothing to do with strategy, everybody. Isso não tem nada a ver com estratégia. This is you as an analyst giving directions to the trader, instructions to the trader. Isso é você como analista dando instrução para trader.
So
Mario,
it's not connected to strategy.
Yes. Mario, Douglas, Mattia and Melissa, the four of you together, vocês quatro juntos. If I ask you just about probabilities, which one has a better probability, Euro JPY or NZD JPY and Canada JPY? Falando da probabilidade, qual par de moeda tem uma probabilidade maior? Euro JPY, Canada JPY, NZD JPY? Yes, Mattia?
Canada JPY and NZD JPY.
Mattia says Canada JPY and NZD JPY. Anybody else? You're mute, Melissa.
Compared to the third pair that you pulled out? I didn't hear the
Euro
third.
JPY.
Your JPY doesn't have any lower probability. CAD JPY is the biggest one.
You have three variables, everybody. Direction, timing, probability. Você tem três variáveis: direção, timing, probabilidade. Now, I'm asking just about probability. I'm not talking about timing and direction. Não estou falando de timing e direção.
Euro JPY didn't count, if I remember.
Enrique Romildo Santana, between Euro JPY, NZD JPY, and Canada JPY, I'm talking about the third variable. Estou falando da terceira variável. Which one has a better probability to fall? And I'm telling you, I'm tricking you right now as we speak. E tô já falando que estou pegando vocês, uma pergunta pegadinha. Já falo para vocês. And this makes all the difference. Isso faz toda a diferença.
Euro JPY está na banda mensal.
Applause to Romildo. Euro JPY is on the monthly band. Now I am Douglas, exemplo. So what? Eu sou Douglas. Eu falo, tá, e aí? Grande bosta, e aí? So what? It's on the monthly band. So what? Romildo?
Então, o trade da banda mensal, ele tem uma boa probabilidade de... Quer dizer, ainda não está na hora de vender, né? Mas dele dar certo, né? De ser um trade exitoso, digamos assim.
Applause to Romildo, everybody. Romildo, get the answer, the complete answer. Romildo said it's not the right time yet, but Euro JPY, because it is still on the monthly band, has a better probability. Does this make sense, everybody? The three variables, probability, it's not timing. timing it's crown, counter trend line break, and it's not direction. Make sense? Ok, everybody, when you're choosing the best rate, the understanding of this, it's a skill, o entendimento disso, uma habilidade. Ok? We're not saying right or wrong, there is no right or wrong. Ok? Não estamos falando certo ou errado, não tem certo ou errado. Ok? Now, if I change the question, okay, comparing Euro JPY to NZD JPY and Canada JPY, which one has a better direction? That's the easy one. Comparando Euro JPY, Canadá JPY e NZD, qual tem direção mais certa? Melissa, Maria, Douglas, and Mario.
NZD Chappy.
Exactly, the other two. If I talk about timing, which one has a better probability about timing? Now me, I'm mixing vocabulary, so talking about timing, which one?
NZD JPY.
Exactly, the other two, exactly. As outras duas têm timing melhor, as outras duas têm direção, já tá. The market is showing me direction on those two. On Euro JPY, there is no direction yet.
O NZD JPY, inclusive, ele tem o crawl no mensal, no semanal e no diário.
Heraldo says that NZJPY has a crown on the monthly, weekly, and the daily already. Okay, everybody?
Tem maior probabilidade de ser um trade bom da semana, o NZD JPY.
So I'm going to, now that we're talking about this, now it's the right time to answer to Mario. If you want to write this down, the pairs who are on the monthly bands and they didn't move yet, those are the highest probability trades. Os pares que são nas bandas mensais ainda não se mexeram, são os trades de probabilidade mais alta. I didn't pay attention, I didn't say best timing, and I didn't say best direction. Não falei melhor direção, não falei melhor timing. Everybody, between Euro CHF, and it's on the monthly band, and Euro JPY, that is in the monthly band, which one is best rate for you, and why?
Euro CHF.
Se você está no Euro CHF e Euro JPY, qual é o trade melhor? Matias said Euro CHF, ok? Why? Por quê?
Because it's moving.
Aplauso to Matias. Because it's moving. Porque está mexendo. Is this that difficult, everybody? É tão difícil entender isso? Herald says, no, it's not that difficult. So I'm looking at Euro JPY at the monthly band, and looking at Euro CHF at the monthly band. Euro JPY, it's not moving at all. Euro CHF, it's moving. So between the three variables, how many variables are better on Euro CHF compared to Euro JPY? What's the number?
Can you repeat the question?
If I look at Euro JPY and the three variables of the best rate, and I'm looking at Euro CHF on the three variable on the best rate, which one is winning on how many variables?
On timing and direction.
Timing, direction, and the three variables.
Probability, it's the same.
Yeah.
Romildo e Henrique, falei para a galera, se você compara Euro-Yen e Euro-CHF, baseado nas três variáveis, qual tem probabilidade mais alta, ok? So, Euro-CHF é the monthly band, Euro-CHF está na banda mensal, yes? Euro-Yen is also in the monthly band, yes? Everybody? Okay, let's talk about direction. Is Euro-JPY telling you it's going to fall?
Euro JPY or Euro CHF?
Euro JPY, I'm sorry. Is Euro Yen telling you that it's going to fall?
Not yet.
Falando que vai descer?
Not yet.
Not yet. It has a downtrend or down market wave. Tem uma banda market wave de baixa ou tendência de baixa? No. Okay.
Not confirmed.
Okay. Is Euro CHF telling you it's going to go up? E euro CHF, tá falando que vai subir?
It has a support.
Support, it's not an indication of direction.
Well, the band is.
We talked already about the band, its probability, euro, yen, and euro CHF, it's the same. Euro CHF, euro yen é a mesma coisa.
Yeah, market wave is up on a daily.
So it's euro,
And
euro, yen. Come again?
And the weekly candle is up from Sunday.
I'm going to tell you, euro, yen, and euro CHF talking about direction, they're almost the same. Vou falar para vocês, euro, yen e euro CHF são quase a mesma coisa. You don't have an uptrend on euro CHF and you don't have a downtrend on euro yen. True or true? Você não tem tendência de alta no euro CHF, você não tem tendência de baixa no euro yen. Yes or yes?
Yes.
On the monthly, on the weekly, on the daily. Yes or yes? Sim ou sim? Okay? But Euro CHF talking about timing, right? Moving, retracements, crown, counter, trendline breaks. Ma Euro CHF falando di crown, di timing, di quebra de tendência e tudo mais. Who is winning? Euro CHF or Euro yen?
Euro chef because it has two bottoms.
Euro CHF made an extension and it looks like it's finished the retracement and it looks like it's going to get out of consolidation. Agreed? It moved. Euro CHF está numa retração depois de uma extensão e parece que ele vai sair da consolidação. Did Euro Yen retrace in any possible way on the daily and or weekly? O Yen se retraiu no semanal mensal? Douglas says no. So how many variables Euro CHF it's winning compared to Euro Yen? 1, 2, or 3? Quantas variáveis Euro Yen está ganhando de Euro CHF? 1, 2 ou 3?
3.
2 on the 2, são as duas. Ok? None of those pairs is showing you direction yet. Nenhum par está te mostrando a direção ainda. None of those trades, it's trending, like it doesn't have a confirmed trend. Nenhum dos pares tem tendências confirmadas on the monthly, weekly, daily. Yes or yes?
Yes.
So the band is not a sufficient trend
It depends.
direction indicator.
Great question, Lisa. The answer, it depends on what you're comparing. Depende que está comparando. If you're comparing Euro Yen, Euro CHF, not relevant. If you're comparing Euro CHF and Euro Yen and Canada, JPY, it's a different story. Make sense, everybody? Okay. Thank you very much, Mattia. Any questions? Any other question in general? Mais alguma pergunta, uma dúvida? Okay, so I'm going to take the lead. Give me a second. 15 more minutes, mais 15 minutos. Right, give me a second. Okay, where are we? We are here. This is the non se susten, Romildo, Enrique. This is the currency strength. So this morning, GBP is strong, right? O GBP tá forte, GBP is strong. Yen is down. Yen is down, and Euro it's up and down. Come again?
Jeff is down.
CHF is down.
Nice.
Dollar is getting strong. Be very careful about the USD pairs and the yen pairs. Cuidado com os pares do dólar e do yen. The yen is going to move on Friday, if not before. O yen vai se mexer na sexta-feira, se não antes. And on Friday we have also Canadian news, so pay attention about risk. Cuidado com risco nos pares do Canadá e cuidado com risco nos pares do yen e dólar. Be careful on the risk on the USD pairs. Be careful on the risk on the yen pairs, and be careful on the risk on Canada on Friday. Okay, everybody? Cuidado. And what is this market wave? Well, we can go through the market wave. It's all the same. Podemos junto com o market wave. And the daily chart is the intermediate chart. O diário é no meio, okay? So AUD CAT, everybody has a different strategy. AUD Canada, cada tem sua estratégia. Me personally, I'm shorting it, and it says here, short consolidation with system. Okay? So when the system is going to tell me what to do, I'm going to short it. Quando o sistema mi vai dar a entrada, possibly I'm going to short consolidation. That was the plan. Esse é o plano. Okay? I'm not going to buy. Me personally, eu pessoalmente não vou comprar. ADCGF staying out. So all the blue, we're not going to waste time. As azul, não vamos perder tempo. Okay? AUDJPY short the daily FIPS. AUDJPY. This is market wave anyway, but I'm going to short the daily FIPS when the signal comes around, when the market crowns or the moving average crosses. Quando essas duas vão se reverter e tudo mais, a gente vai vender. Okay, and Canada JPY short 5%. Me personally, with system, wait for the 4-hour system to go short. Vou vender 5% com o sistema, esperando o sistema de 4 horas para vender. So how it's Canada JPY. Okay, still not yet. The system is not ready. O sistema não está pronto. Okay, everybody. And so the system, it's nothing special. Trade management. Give me a second. Trade management. Canada JPY. So it's the 4-hour chart. Canada JPY is the 4-hour chart. This is the system that I'm waiting. Esse é o sistema que estou esperando to go short 5%. Okay. Next time it's in class, also nothing special. You know all of this, vocês já sabem isso. And CHF stay out, CHF JPY. All the euro pairs are a buy. Euro AUD, Euro CAD, Euro CHF, Euro GBP, Euro Yen, it's a short, but all the others, Euro dollar stay out. Euro dollar fique fora. All the other pairs are a buy. So Euro AUD, buy when the time comes, compra. Euro CAD, buy when the time comes, compra. Euro CHF, buy. Euro GBP, buy when the time comes, compra. Euro JPY, it's a sell when the time comes. Euro New Zealand, it's a buy when the time comes, quando vem a hora. And stay out of euro dollar, fique fora do euro dollar. Why? I don't have a read. Eu pessoalmente não tenho leitura desse par. Okay. When I say I don't have a read, this means that direction and or timing and or probabilities are messed up for me as an analyst. Quando eu falo que não tenho leitura, direção, ou timing, Romildo, ou probabilidades são misturadas. Eu não tenho uma leitura boa. Ok? Make sense, everybody? Boss, if you stay out, should I stay out? No, you do your own thing. Se você está fora, eu tenho que ficar fora. Não, você negocia o seu. You have your strategy to trade. Make sense, everybody? There is no right or wrong anyway. Não tem certo ou errado. And we are GBP. So GBP CAD, it's a buy. GBP CHF, it's a buy. GBP JPY, it's a buy. GBP, all the GBP pairs minus GBP AUD are a buy. GBP CAD, buy when the time comes. See candle here. GBP CHF, buy when the time comes. GBP JPY, buy when the time comes. GBP NZD, buy when the time comes. GBP dollar, buy when the time comes. Okay. And that's what I'm doing, everybody, for the newcomers. Isso que eu estou fazendo para quem está novo aqui, ó. NZD CAD sell short. So all the NZDs are short. Todos os NZDs são venda. Minus NZD. So I'm shorting NZD CAD. This one, it's not tradable. I'm shorting NZD JPY. I'm shorting NZD USD. Estou vendendo esse aqui, ó. I'm shorting USD CAD. Everybody. Estou vendendo USD Canada. And USD CHF stay out, USD JPY stay out. Okay, everybody? My vision as an analyst. Essa é a minha visão como analista. Melissa is going to ask, my best trade is USD JPY and you are staying out. Should I stay out? No. Melissa vai perguntar, o meu best trade é USD JPY. Você está ficando fora do USD JPY? Eu deveria ficar fora? Não, não deve. Make sense, everybody? There is no right or wrong. Não tem certo ou errado. The numbers end of the week are going to tell us, me too, I'm with you guys, how good or bad we are as an analyst. No final de semana, os números nos vão mostrar como que nós somos bons ou ruins. Eu estou junto. Make sense? Fair enough? Justo? Yes? Okay? So,
Okay.
tonight at 8 p.m. Brazilian time, a gente se vê hoje à noite, às 8 da noite do tempo do Brasil. European are going to sleep, Mattia and Mario are going to sleep. Mattia e Mario vão dormir. Henrique e Romildo estão bem-vindos. Se vocês querem participar de novo com a galera de português, we are going to have Marcos and Thiago and Heraldo tonight with Melissa, possibly Douglas, Shantana, possibly Julius. Okay? In conclusion, then I'm going to send you the recording anyway. Your job is to make money on the pairs that I gave you. That's from the office. That's where you must do something.
And they are, Euro, CHF. Tell again.
I'm going to just translate. O trabalho de vocês é fazer grana nos pares que eu falei para você. Isso é o escritório que fala. All the Euro pairs
Okay.
minus Euro dollar, all the GBP pairs minus GBP AUD, and Canada JPY. That's from the office. Isso é do escritório. Okay? I have 12 pairs. What if I just make money on one? I'm going to applaud you. You don't need to do everything. I'm just giving you a portfolio of pairs to trade. Tem 12 pares e se faço grana no seu nome, eu te vou aplaudir. Eu te vou aplaudir. Não precisa fazer dinheiro em todos os 12, é muita coisa fazer. Faz no Make sense, everybody? If you can understand the skill, why this one pair made you money, then you can replicate. That's the game. Se você consegue entender por que você fez dinheiro nesse par único, você entende a probabilidade, então você pode replicar nos outros pares. Does this make sense?
Mm-hmm.
But if you don't make any money on all the pairs, then we need to talk. First warning. Se você, que é um empregado, não faz dinheiro em nenhum par, então vamos conversar. Você é primeiro aviso, Henrique e Romildo. First warning, Romildo and Henrique. First warning. Douglas is going to tell you first warning, second warning. Douglas, terceiro aviso e...
Demissão.
Agora mesmo, you're fired, we're fired. Make sense, everybody?
Yeah.
Boss, what if I enter Euro CHF and I lose? That's on me. Make sense? E se eu entro Euro CHF e eu perdo? Isso sobre mim. With the clarification. If you enter with bad timing, that's not on me anymore. I'm talking about direction. If you buy Euro CHF and Euro CHF go down like crazy, like breaks the band, that's on me. Se Euro CHF você vai comprar, ele vai descer, vai quebrar a banda mensal, isso sou eu. But if you enter bad timing, that's you and your strategy. Make sense? You have your stop loss too tight, that's you and your strategy. Se tem stop loss muito curtinho, isso é tua estratégia. Se arrisca muito, você fica assustado e você fecha com perda, that's on you. Isso também é você. You risk too much, you get afraid and scared and you close with a loss, that's on you, that's not on me. Make sense? In this sense, you need to help out, help each other. Falando isso, você tem que se ajudar. Okay? If Romildo makes money on Euro CHF, if Melissa makes money on Euro CHF, if Douglas makes money on Euro CHF, if Mattia makes money on Euro CHF, and those are trading different methodologies and different time frames, and I am not making money. Is the market is the strategy, or it's me that I'm not skilled?
It is
English.
me, not skilled.
It's me, I'm not skilled. Se Romildo faz grana no EuroSHF, se a Melissa faz dinheiro, se o Douglas e a Mattia fazem dinheiro no EuroSHF, e cada um trabalha numa metodologia diferente, tempo gráfico diferente, e eu não faço dinheiro, é culpa do mercado, é culpa da estratégia, ou eu não tenho habilidade? Português.
É falta de habilidade.
Eu não tenho habilidade.
Verdade.
Ok, everybody?
Okay.
Okay, dear employees, see you back tonight. Me and Melissa in 20 minutes. Ok? A gente se vê hoje à noite às 8, eu e Melissa em 20 minutos. Me and Mattia tomorrow, and so on and so on and so on. Me and Mario Friday, eu e Mario na sexta. Henrique quinta, all right? Ok, dear employees. Good luck.
Ok.
Thank
Obrigado.
you. Bye.
Bye.
Valeu, um abraço, até a próxima. Até a noite. Bye, bye. Tchau, tchau. Bye, bye. Tchau, tchau, tchau.